Welcome into my favorite segment, Bon Appetit, when you've got this awesome beef.
Yes.
Ali Cantrell is with us from the Cattlemen's Association. We love supporting the cattlemen, and we love the fact that this beef is grown in Alabama.
Yes,
too.
yes, and we appreciate your support.
Well, we love it, and talk about support. Memorial Day. It's a great day.
Start of summer.
Right there, and this is a great choice. Economical,
Yes.
quick, so get in the backyard and let's have some hamburgers.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, hamburgers are like the mainstay of Memorial Day
Right.
weekend,
Yes,
so let's
yes.
do it right and let's do it Southern. So
And it's a good lean ground beef.
yes, it is. So lean beef is about 70% water and 20% protein, so that kind of gives you a little bit more of a healthy option when you're choosing your proteins. So we're definitely getting started right with that, and today what we're going to do is a peach compote burger.
Ooh,
So
fun.
it's a little bit more southern with the peaches and everything to that nature, and then I've added a little blue cheese at the bottom of it to kind of give it a
That
little
will
bit more
be good.
flavor.
Don't just do the same old stuff all the time.
Yep,
Exactly.
yep.
Yes, I love a good burger, and I love to do little different spins
Right,
on it.
right.
So you can definitely do whatever you want with a burger. It's very versatile.
Okay.
But today what we're going to do is we're going
Get
to
it?
season these burgers with just some salt and pepper. Nothing too fancy. The peaches and the blue cheese are definitely going to add a different flavor to it, so you don't need to put a whole lot of seasoning on these burgers.
I love that
And you
you.
always
That's
do-
such
you
a
always
strange
do both
combination.
sides.
Wow.
Yes, we always do both sides. We want to be sure that we get enough seasoning on there to where it tastes good all the way around.
And what cut of beef is this? Is this a,
So this
I
is a
mean, it's ground beef, but is
Right.
it,
Extra
this-
lean,
It's
regular
a-
ground.
It's about 70% lean on
Okay.
it, and then it's out of the chuck, which
Okay.
out of the
so
chuck
that's
of that
what I was
animal.
going to say, yeah.
So it's going to still stay moist.
Right.
It won't be dry.
Which ground beef can come from
Right.
anywhere on the animal, but we don't want to necessarily cut into our ribeyes or anything like
no.
that. So we definitely use like the chuck and the round mostly for whenever we get our
Okay.
ground
Okay.
beef.
And
So-
these are so easy, folks, because you just put them on the grill. They're done in no time. It's economical. I love that. And you can
Yes.
feed a lot of people
Yes.
with hamburgers.
Okay, do you want me to kind of keep an eye on them while you go back and talk
Yes,
about all this?
definitely,
I can do that.
definitely.
Have you got a flipper there?
Yes, I do.
Good.
Right there.
See, I got a job. I'm the sous
You got a
chef.
job. You're hired.
Yes.
So basically we'll let those sit on the grill, we'll flip them on each side, let them get to about 165 degrees in the middle of them. So we'll make our peach compote, and basically what that is we'll get it on a skillet. We can do it on our stovetop, or we could do
Okay.
it on the grill if we
True.
wanted to.
Okay.
I've already got some made right here, but you'll take some peaches and some onions, grill, put them in the skillet, brown them a little bit, and then you're going to add a little bit of Dr. Pepper into it, kind of caramelize it,
Boy.
and have some caramelization that you can see.
She's on
in
Dr.
that.
Pepper's payroll.
Yes, definitely.
Tell me when you
Oh,
want me to flip
wow.
over here, by the way.
I think they're
Wow.
good for right now.
For
So-
right now?
There.
Okay,
we'll
you
just,
say
we'll just
flip
leave
when
the
you're
top
ready.
off and let them look. That's
But yeah, that adds some
Look how pretty that is.
caramelization, and then that blue cheese kind of gives it a different flavor as well.
Wow, that is so interesting and so different.
Yes, definitely. It gives it a little bit more of a southern flair with the peaches, and I'm a big fan of blue cheese. You could
Me
also
too.
do goat cheese
Right.
if you wanted to. But yeah, there's different options you can do with this recipe.
Well, and folks, for those of you who are not adventuresome, you can still do the cheddar cheese, the
the
American cheese,
regular cheese and
ketchup,
burger, and that's
mustard,
about it.
mayonnaise, whatever you like. It's the main thing is good meat.
Yes,
You know,
definitely.
you have to start with good meat.
And you can throw that burger on the grill and maybe even throw in some Kaneka sausage. We won't talk about it today, but you could add some different things on
Yes.
there besides that to give for the whole family.
Well, you know, with the price of groceries, everybody is really looking at cost, Allie, too. And what I love is, you know, you can make these up ahead of time.
Yes.
So you get all your, most of your labor is all done ahead of time.
Yes, exactly.
And that gives you time to enjoy your company and enjoy your Memorial Day.
And be outside on the
uh-huh,
grill.
And just have a good time, enjoy family. Let's get back to the roots. And there's nothing more rooted than beef. It's what's for dinner, it's what's for lunch, and for me sometimes it's what's for breakfast.
Exactly.
And Jack is finishing up this
Want me to
awesome
flip?
stuff. and
Yes, you can go ahead and flip.
You can go ahead and flip.
And
Whoop.
we just
Oh.
have such a good time.
Yes,
Well, I don't get a-
definitely.
Where do we get the recipes, Allie?
So you can go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com. Look, you can search in the search bar for burger and peaches and it'll pop up. Or if you want to search for other recipes, there's a tailgating tab that you can look up for grilling recipes, and then there's others for roast and just anything that you're thinking of beef-wise, they've got it. So.
Well, I love that, and they also have some good tips on the temperatures that you want to be safe with your meat.
Definitely.
And the different cuts so that you know what to look for and what to get for whatever the particular occasion is, and that's important. In the meantime, we all wish you a wonderful Memorial Day. Spend some time with family. And thank you so much for being with us, and thank the Cattlemans.
Thank
And
y'all.
thank the sous chef here. And y'all stay with us, and we'll be right back.